Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today I got a fun one for you. This is another episode of Worker Work. Anyone who's following the channel, you guys know the Worker Work series is the day-to-day life of a GPU farmer. Just kind of show you guys what the team and I are up to on a day-to-day basis and such. As you guys know, with our last episode of Worker Works, we've been doing some moving. So you can see here we are in, I guess you can say our first room in phase 1. Well, let's walk down here real quick, because as you guys remember, phase 1 has got all our 13 GPU workers in it. So as we head down here, one of the things you'll see is this is kind of how we have the 13 GPU, or the 7 and 8 GPU workers. And then we got the 13 GPU workers. Well, the team and I have been working very, very diligently. And as you can see, we got the shift. Say, what? Look at that. So, here's what we have. Here's what we've been working on, the 7 and 8 GPUs. Well, we want to get all the 13 GPUs over here. So, it's been a busy time, busy week. But as always, I want to say a huge shout out to you guys, the community, for having us in your home. Huge shout out to the team for everything they've been doing out here, man. Busy stuff, you guys. Team's great. You can see you got a team member back here on the grind right now. But as you can see, we've been filling that in with those 7 and 8 GPU workers, and we got all the 13 GPU workers out of there. That's pretty cool, isn't it? So you can see we've been working on the networking and stuff up here as well. So as always, if you're new to the channel, now's a good time to hit that subscription icon up there. This was the first part that we did. But also comment down below, let us know what you think, let us know what you guys want to see in Worker Works. Give us a thumbs up, that way other people can see this. But we've been on the grind, so we've got those 7 GPU and 8 GPU workers. Well, as you can see, we still got these rows back here of 13. So just like we're doing back over there, we got this row here all nice and filled out, temporary. We're doing some heavy networking here, but you'll see we'll start to move this. One of the things that's made this so easy for us, this transition, and I don't want to say easy, this stuff's hard work, guys, but HIVEOS, you guys know I've been talking up HIVEOS a lot. We've definitely found HIVEOS has given us a lot of really good stability. But as you guys can see, we're moving these 7 and 8 GPU workers over here. And what this is going to do is this allows us to be closer to the war room, lets us be able to work on them in the office in there a little better. And what this does over here is, since this is the old section, one of the things you're also going to see us do is we're going to blow walls out. Old section walls, new section walls. That's going to let us have better airflow over here. But we got all these 13 GPU workers down here. And this whole section is going to be 13 GPU workers. We're doing this for power distribution as well. We got a lot of big things in the pipeline. We got to get ready for our next set of workers. That's right, guys. We got some crazy stuff happening. But as you can see, the team's been working very diligently. Thank you guys to the team, as always, for all the work that you do. Thank you to the team for having us. We're having a lot of fun doing this. Thank you guys to the community for having us out in your home. But HIVEOS, the stability with HIVEOS and how quick it fires up, it allows me to get on my cart right here. Some people call it the crash cart, and you guys in the community are great. But that allows me to get on here on our workers and see if they start right back up or not. So we just do some networking, moving stuff around. Once again, this is all temporary, because as you can see, as we come over here, this is what we're going to run it on. We're going to run new cables down, custom for all of these. So new ends on everything. We're going to hook it up with that patch panel, make it all nice. We got that to do over here as well. And then we've also got that to do on these new sections. So with our next episode of Worker Work, you're definitely going to see some different things changing. But we're going to get some of those up there as well. We're going to get some of those panels up there. And we're just going to keep going. So, as always, guys, my name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner. Really thank you guys for having us out in your home. But HIVEOS, like we said, that switch from HIVEOS has been real great. That's really allowed us to do a lot of great things. We've been working heavy on the networking around here, changing some things on the network, securing the network and those types of things. Having a lot of fun with this stuff, putting 3-inch holes through the wall so we can run all that stuff. Doing crazy stuff over there. I know a lot of you guys like to see this, so this is the war room. We've been working real hard on the box wall. having a lot of fun with that stuff as well, guys. So huge shout out to the community. I want to send some love. Huge shout out to the son of a tech, Red Panda Mining. You guys are killing it. These guys are crushing it. They got like 15,000 subs in the last 30 days. Comment down below. Tell us what you think of this episode of Worker Work. Keep an eye out. We've got that ultimate GPU mining rig guide, building guide that we're going to put out to you. It's going to be like a 10-part series. Keep an eye out for all the other updates that we do with our Worker Work series. Always, guys, comment down below. Let us know what you want to see in these Worker Work videos. Let us know what else you want to know. We're going to be doing a lot with overclocking, unboxing. We're going to be doing some streaming stuff out here. But we just got a lot of work to get prepped for those things. So, my name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner. Have a great day. Thank you.